As a project management expert, I understand the critical importance of efficiency and integration in running a successful business. Every tool and process should ideally work in harmony, minimizing manual effort and maximizing clarity. One common question that arises for businesses, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, revolves around their accounting software. Can it handle payroll? Today, we'll delve into Zoho Books and explore its capabilities concerning payroll management. Zoho Books has emerged as a popular cloud-based accounting software, lauded for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features covering invoicing, expense tracking, project management, and more. Its appeal lies in its ability to centralize crucial financial operations, offering a holistic view of a business's financial health. However, when it comes to payroll, the answer isn't a straightforward yes within the core Zoho Books platform itself. Currently, Zoho Books does not have a built-in, fully integrated payroll module for all regions. This means that while Zoho Books excels at managing your accounts receivable, accounts payable, and overall bookkeeping, you cannot directly process employee salaries, calculate deductions, or generate pay stubs solely within the Zoho Books environment in many parts of the world. Now, before you feel disheartened, it's crucial to understand the broader Zoho ecosystem and the solutions it offers for payroll management. Zoho recognizes the significance of payroll and provides robust alternatives through integrations with dedicated payroll software. This approach aligns with a common strategy in the software industry, focusing on core competencies while seamlessly connecting with specialized tools. Think of it like managing a complex project. You might have your central project management software for tasks, timelines, and communication. However, for specific aspects like risk assessment or detailed financial forecasting, you might integrate specialized tools that excel in those areas. Similarly, Zoho Books acts as your central financial hub, and for payroll, it integrates with specialized payroll providers. Zoho Payroll, a powerful companion, availability dependent on region. Zoho does offer its own dedicated payroll software called Zoho Payroll. This is a comprehensive platform designed to handle all aspects of payroll processing, including salary calculations, automating the calculation of gross pay, deductions, taxes, benefits, etc., and net pay, tax management, handling federal, state, and local tax withholdings and remittances, benefits administration, managing employee benefits like health insurance and retirement contributions, compliance, ensuring adherence to payroll regulations and generating necessary reports, employee self-service portal, providing employees with access to their pay stubs, tax documents, and other payroll-related information. The key here is that Zoho Payroll is often a separate product that integrates seamlessly with Zoho Books. This integration allows for a smooth flow of financial data between your accounting and payroll systems. For instance, payroll expenses processed in Zoho Payroll can be automatically recorded in the appropriate accounts within Zoho Books, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Third-party payroll integrations. Recognizing that its own payroll solution might not be available or suitable for all regions or business needs, Zoho Books also offers integrations with various third-party payroll providers. These integrations function similarly to the Zoho Payroll integration, allowing you to connect your Zoho Books account with your chosen payroll service. Popular examples of payroll providers that often integrate with Zoho Books include Gusto, a well-regarded payroll and HR platform known for its user-friendliness. ADP, a large and established payroll processing company offering a wide range of services. Paychex, another major payroll provider catering to businesses of all sizes. Xero Payroll, for businesses already invested in the Xero ecosystem, integration with Zoho Books might be an option in some cases. Though primarily a competitor, some integration possibilities might exist via third-party connectors,